So if chop, as you can see, my baby is cooking. I'm gonna have my best delicious food this night. Tonight. Yeah. They call it tonight. My baby never cooked like this before. Now me and her, we the cook us together. It's not easy. Today, you know they cook. More than all the concoction we go to cook every time. I said today, I have to stay with her.
Cooking concoction. It's not that it's not concoction.
I see. Everybody tan. Everybody's cooking. I'm not turned to material wife. No worry, I will marry you.
Excuse you.
I will marry you. Good girl. Cooking with Jarvis. Cooking with Jarvis. Cooking with Jarvis.
Finish your work. Cooking with Jarvis.
Cooking with Jarvis.
Finish your work.
If you do not see me in the kitchen, you cannot touch anything because no be beneath, no be beneath food be this. Why do you give me to what with? Momo here. Continue. What is it?
Yeah, please.
What is it?
I said that first of all, you weigh the tomatoes. Let that water leave.
Leave.
Yes, nah.
Yes.
Then after we should not fry, but no, you say we should turn it direct.
After that thing was 3, that's when you are not talking. Shut up.
Oh, you are very mad. When I said let me do it my way, did you allow me? You say you want to do, you want to teach me. Oh, yeah, teach me. They do now.
For your life, you see, I know the coach Jarvis. You never cook something like this before. Now me change this girl plan.
God will punish
that
you.
thing will still tick. Listen to me, will still tick.
It will still tick, but it will take its time. So calm down. Let's get out of here. Let it take the time. I'm more waiting.
Bye, no more baby. So our delicious food is ready, and this cooking with Jarvis. Come on the head. Come on the head. Oh yes, come on, Sam. Put egg. Yeah, no be giving me this one.
I thought you said you don't want the head before.
I'm sorry, my
Don't
love.
stress, I'll leave the food for you.
I'm sorry, my love. Please, pardon.
And drop that phone.
Okay, ma. Put the pepper. Don't put the
I
one
said drop
fish.
phone. I'll not.
Pella de cook. Pella de cook.
La.
Pella de cook.
La.
The craze.
La.
I call my mommy today. Say me send me voice note. Say you don't tell where I don't shop her soup. Say me send me voice note. Say how in the take cook am. And I do this. Hey, you say difference.
Come on, yeah. What's the difference?
Now you want to claim this thing that you are not the one that have it. You want to claim
No,
when you
you
did not lay egg. Oh, Lami Yamele, oh Yami Yamele. Give her Arutu. Yami Yamele, my bro. Give me Bugasi. Legendary. I go slaughter your head. Can you see? So I'm about to taste our food. I'm about to taste. Okay.
Because you know Suki, huh?
Let me taste it.
Man, when you give him word. Dangerous man. No, Suki, let me talk to you.
I dey cook. Babe. I dey cook. I sabi cook. I swear to God. Man, help me. I don't know what Jarvis they do. What's be this now?
It's fruit.
They put fruit for.
After eating, you take fruit to that.
Why you go there na egg? I be na. I go dey put also I think you need to be there on the rice. I mean, thank God.
It's not for you. Get out.